Yeah. Yeah. Ordinary music. I have to say it. Everybody in VPH thought that I was a child molester. Never was. I don't know why they thinking that shit what it was. A lot of shit that I've been through. A lot of dark dreams. A lot of fucking stories. I got for days. I used to date Arabia. Gay sister. His younger sister was liking me too. Brielle, a little red bone freak. A little story to tell you about this chick. Her mother came in on us. Thought that I was trying to get between her daughter's legs. I never was trying to do that. I was trying to get her off. But the mother came in unannounced. And her daughter was always trying to put that pussy up on a nigga. I remember when I was in that Oregon street, when the girl was up in Carnegie. I used to walk around the corner, around the neighborhood. Brielle was bending over to try to get me to slap that ass. Almost slipped, but I never did. Then the girl tried to do it again. And I never tried to fucking slap her again on no ass. Cause I ain't with that shit, being part of that little girl clique. Whole bunch of shit I've been through. But then I dated Arabia. The kids tried to get me to date her though. And I tried to forgive cause I didn't want to hurt her feelings. But Brielle wanted to take it to a whole nother level cause she was jealous of her sister and wanted me. Cause I guess she felt that I deserved to be with her. A crazy crush that she got over me. When my mother was sick a couple of years ago, I ran into her with they Sean and all that. She tried to gave me hugs after another. I played the game and gave her my number, but I didn't want to come over to her house. She was trying to get me to come, and you know that I wanted never to do that. So I just laughed at all of it. I told you the childs are evil, the childs are evil, the childs are evil. But these women with these twisted minds, childs are evil, childs are evil, childs are evil. With women with these twisted minds, childs are evil, childs are evil. Women with twisted minds, childs are evil, childs are evil. With women with twisted minds. A whole lot of stuff I've been through. People in VBH thought I was a child molester. Never was like that. But these chicks that was young always tried to put their booty on me. Never wanted that. Never wanted that. I remember when my niece tried to give it to me. Even though she ain't my niece, but she's my sister on my sister's side family. Ebony put me through a whole lot of stuff, but I love her to death though. I got nothing but love in my heart for her though, but she did me wrong. And I told her back then that I didn't need none of that. And her sister Amber tried to trick me for that fun. Told Ebony that I was not part of that, never was used to anything like that. Wait a minute, the childs are evil, the evil childs are evil, the women's are twisted minds. I passed up on a lot of little girls cause I was never part of that time. Childs are evil with women with twisted minds. Childs are evil with women with twisted minds. Childs are evil with women with twisted minds. So I have to tell you, I never was a child molester. Her mother walked in on a situation. God was grateful that she did, because her daughter could have messed up my life. The girl was trying even when I got older. She always was trying to like be around me. It was to the point where every time when I used to walk in that hood and she would be on that street, there was one time I thought she was bending over to tie her shoe. And I got so loop-sided She was bending over because she wanted me to smack her on the behind. I told her, I said, you one crazy ass chick in so many words. But I didn't fall for that. And she tried to do it again, and she knew she wasn't getting that off. You know, I'm a true cat. I ain't about no foolishness or no bullshit. And my niece Ebony tried some shit on me too, but it didn't work. I came from a very dark path, but into the light. Never was trying to do nothing wrong in this hood. So if anybody thought that I was a child molester, you're wrong. The truth then came out. The proof is in the pudding. Listen to the song. Childs of evil were women with twisted minds.